Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक पर जो लाती है tips and tricks to make your life simpler and easier. Today I'm going to review two amazing products again. The first one in my list is Purlisee Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream. This is supposed to be used either with a brush or with a sponge or with your fingers, and you can use it with also blend it with your favorite moisturizer to blend it into your skin. And you're ready to go. This is a 7 ml trial pack, but the original one is a 40 ml pack and it's available for $38 USD. So without any ado, let's get started. So this is the new pack. I'm just opening this. So I'm just going to take a teeny bit to see its consistency. It looks like a proper good moisturized consistency, so I'm not going to use my moisturizer. I use it only when it's absolutely thick, and this is not very thick, so I think it's good to go. I initially always use a small amount of product because I'm not sure how to do it on my skin. It feels cold, it feels nice. It doesn't have any smell except for a little smell of a sunscreen, which is good because it says SPF 50, which is also good. About sunscreens, it's assumed that sunscreens are not supposed to be used when it's not sunny out there, but that isn't true. You should always have sunscreen. This is a nice CC cream. It's a neutral shade, so the important thing is let's see how it blends with my face. I'm not a brush person. I am more of a use your hands to blend it in person. You see, I have something here. I have been able to clean it up. So it has vitamin C, which is quite impressive. It's always good for the skin. In fact, the serum that you use all throughout especially before you sleep, always contains vitamin C because it adds a glow to your skin. So they're not lying when they say vitamin C and glow CC cream. So yeah, it's not looking like it's extra white. It's kind of covered the sections and made it kind of the same tone, so it's done a good job. And the next thing that we're going to try is the Endless SilkyPen by Pixilar. I'm not sure if you can see it. So this one is just like a normal pencil, but this is very soft and silky. I've tried it here, so I'm just going to try it here and see how it works. It's working very smoothly on my eyes, and you can see, so this is where I don't have it and this is where I have it. I haven't completed. Can you see? It's almost like as easy as putting your eyeliner but with a pen. So I think really if I add to it, slowly goes into your eyes. So if you use usual kajals, they usually dry up, or those liners are too liquidy, they're difficult to smudge. And the beauty about this one is that you can also use a blender to blend it into a smoky look if you feel like. So I think I did a better job with this one. Making around the center. Yeah, I'm good. That's good. That's amazing. It feels really good. It's easy to blend if I'd like to blend. It's not coming off very easily, which means it's a definite yes. So guys, just to repeat, we did this Pixilar Silky Eye Pen, which is in black, and we did this Youth Glow CC Vitamin C SPF 50 cream, CC cream by Purlisee. This is amazing. Both these products are a definite go-to. Please purchase these products. If you have other products to review, do let me know in the comments. Till next time, this is your Tech Girl signing off.